Good afternoon. Today we will be unboxing the Orient Ray 2, which is a Japanese automatic movement watch. I've seen a ton of emails and YouTube videos out on the internet in regards to this timepiece, and I thought it'd be great to add this to my collection. So without further ado, let's see what we have here. Nice box, Orient. Do pretty well with their packaging. This is pretty impressive. I like the look of that. Looks pretty neat. With the Orient logo on there. Nice pillow that it's on. This is pretty neat here. This is the Orient Ray 2. I will take this off here. With first impression of this, it's a super nice looking timepiece. It is, it feels pretty sturdy. Nice band. However, I will not be keeping this strap that's on this watch. This strap will be removed with, I purchased a edge mill strap from Strap Code that will be, or end mill strap from Strap Code that will be put on this timepiece here. So this is the unboxing of the Orient Ray 2. I will wear it for a couple days, come back and give my insights to my thoughts on this watch. But just wanted to share with you guys, again, this is the box that it came in. Orient Ray 2. Yeah, let's see what it's all about. Thank you.